are done. Our eyes are done. If you guys want to see how I got or I created this eye look, please click on either the link down below or the link up here somewhere. But for the rest of this look, we are going to play with the Jeffree Starr brushes. Woo! Yes, so that is what we're going to do to complete our face. And okay, so I already opened my Jeffree Star brushes the other day, so I ended up using obviously my favorite brush, the thin, like razor sharp eyebrow brush. This brush is amazing. The spoolie is amazing. It's like nice and soft. It's not even hard. So yes, this just allowed me to snatch my brows. And also, you know how I've been growing my eyebrows out? Well, I ended up shaping them. So now they have a completely like, ooh, like just like an awesome shape to them. So patience is key to regrowing your brows and reshaping them. So I'm very happy. So I love this brush. So I use this brush for my eyebrows, but I used it for the other day's look for the eyeliner, and this brush is amazing for that. So we already know that this one works. This brush is also awesome. I ended up using this to set my under eye with the Laura Mercier brightening powder. But the other day I ended up using it to really like tap in my concealer and blend it out, and it is also amazing. And this brush is perfect to use with my KKW brightening powder. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on. I use the Laura Mercier powder, but you know, the KKW beauty powder is on a whole nother level. Here it is. You guys have seen me use this time and time again. So I'm just going to buff it in right under the eye, and I'm going to bring this to the tops of my cheekbones to start carving out where we're going to shade and highlight. So that is the difference. That's why I love this powder. I'm not really sure when he's going to restock his brushes. I'm not sure about that, but keep your eyes out because these brushes are awesome. I already washed these brushes too, and they held up pretty good. Pretty good. These are the other brushes. This is a highlight brush or like a really thick blending brush. This brush is kind of like a 217, so I would use this for the crease. And then this guy is, let me see, the JS5 and the JS6. That was horribly long. This is the Jeffree Star collection in its entirety. This is the cute little like pointy one that you can use to like throw off your bake. So we'll see what, I think we'll use this for blush. And then this one is the dome brush. I really like this for contouring. I already used that for that. So let's hop right in. We are going to contour with the Morphe the Morphe Hi-Fi palette, and I'm going in with Donuts. I always go in with these colors. So we're gonna go in with Donut and Blogger. Both of those two, just go back and forth, and then just start to work them right where the hollows of our cheeks are. So see, this brush just completely like falls into the hollows of our cheeks, which makes contouring very easy. And then right up on our temples, very quick. So this brush is perfect for contouring, all of that good stuff. But I'm kind of curious, like not now, but like I think in the future videos, like maybe the next one that I make, I kind of want to try putting my foundation on with this brush. You know what I'm saying? Like just liquid going in. I feel like it would be really good for that. So I kind of want to test that out. So now I'm going in with Global Glow. That's how you say it. And This one's from MAC, obviously. Ave. Oh, it's awesome. I love how it looks on my skin. I'm going to spray my face, and then I'm going to dip into this little powder and put it on my highlight spots. So I'm trying this spray out. This is Dewy Setting Spray Luminous and Set from Black Radiance. Oof. That was like one microscopic dip. Oh my god. I know we kind of like lost the sight on the Morphe brush, or the Jeffree brush, but as you can see, it's like perfect for the highlight. So okay, so I'm not gonna like go all in on my nose because I still want to contour it. I'm gonna push you right back, but look at this. So we are going into our Luminoso blush. This blush is from Milani. And we're just gonna go in. I don't want to cover the shock value of my highlight, so I'm just going to put it right where my contour is. And you can see that still looks like so cute and so beautiful. Okay, class, what does Melissa do every time she puts on blush? That's right. She puts it on her eye. So I'm just going to bring this in and I'm using the JS5 to do this, and I'm just picking it up, slick a little bit, and I'm just gonna feather this in right under my eyebrow, and then just bring it up like that. I just love how that looks, always. And I'm going to take JS6, and I'm going to lightly contour my nose. Yeah, see, this brush also works for your nose contour. Because I already have my eyes done, but obviously I would use this for detail work, but also for your blending your crease out. So I don't know what it is about these brushes. They just feel different, you know? So since it is Rihanna's birthday, Bad Girl Rihanna, you know, we're gonna do a Fenty lip today, because on Rihanna's birthday you only wear Fenty. We're at least going to honor my queen with a Fenty lip. So these are all of the Mademoiselles that I have. Let's do, oh, I love how this orange looks on me. And you know what, I'm starting to realize that maybe like orange is like my favorite color. Boom. Yeah, so this is gonna look amazing. I'm gonna do my lipstick first, and then I'll do a liner. I swear, every time I put a Fenty lipstick on, I just feel like a bad bee. You know what I'm saying? Like a bad bee. We are going to do Keep It Spicy from LA Girl. Okay, now with my lip pencil or my lip brush, I'm going to clean up my lips right under with nothing on my lip pencil. I'm just like, or my lip brush, I'm just cleaning it off, and I'm just going over. So that was it for the Jeffree Starr brushes. I guess like demo slash review maybe. I don't know. Like, I don't know what that was, but honestly, these are amazing. This one is kind of like the one that we didn't like had to use, but you can use it for baking, for blushing. We used it for blush. This one obviously made my highlight pop. Okay, I'll tell you guys who the highlight was by. where did I leave it? Oh my god, please don't tell me I dropped it. Okay. This highlight is Coco Bling by Artist Couture. Honestly, like, I've been wanting to try Coco Bling for the longest time, but I also was like, dang, like, what if it's not good? Like, you see all these pictures like me, right? And you're just like, but is it good? It is good. I look wet. I look wet right now. Like, my skin looks like it looks amazing. So it is worth it. That is what my highlight is. And as you guys saw, the Jeffree highlight brush is just like everything. But yes, so this one, use it for concealer, but also to set your under eye with powder, to buff in your powder under your eyes. So that one's in clutch. This one is, these two were like the eye brushes. So basically this one is for detail and this one's for your blending out. So they're two like go-to brushes. The highlight, you got your blush, your baking powder, dust off, your contour, and then you have your under eye concealer. So like I told you guys, I'm going to do another video where I use these two with wet products, and this is why I'm going to do it. I feel like this is going to make my foundation look flawless because I used this guy the other day to apply my concealer. So I put my concealer and I like worked it into my skin. So I have this brush from is it It Cosmetics? Yeah, it's It Cosmetics. This one reminded me of the Jeffree Starr one. But this one is like, I don't know, I feel like they both have like the density. Jeffree's is a little bit bigger, but this one like makes my under eye airbrushed, and so did the Jeffree one. So I'm just like, okay, we need to experiment. Like, I need to figure out if it's gonna do the same thing, because if it does, ya la hicimos, like, we made it. So right under the eye. So yeah, these brushes are amazing. If you guys are looking to get them when he restocks, definitely do it. And honestly, where's the, oh, here it is. This one, because of the brush for your eyebrows, it's amazing. Like, I can't stop talking about, I need to stop, but I can't stop talking about this one. This one is really, truly, honestly, like, amazing. But yeah, I got two. So that was it for the Jeffree Starr brushes video. If you guys want to go check out and see how I created this eye look, with these lashes, ooh. If you guys want to see how I created that look, please go to the video. I will link it down below, or just click on the video at the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys all, and adios.